What if I told you can go from a blank page to a fully written and cited academic paper in under 4 hours? That is exactly what StudyTexter promises. And today, I'm going to find out if that is actually true. Literature research is included, also up to 120 pages in length, over 2,600 citation styles, and apparently there is a plagiarism check built in. Now, to me, that is a pretty big claim. So today, we are going to go through it step by step so that you know exactly what you're getting into before you spend a cent. So what is StudyTexter? StudyTexter is an AI academic writing platform, and it works in 4 clearly defined phases: planning, research, structuring, and writing. You start by entering your topic and preferences, and then the AI searches through over 479 million academic sources to build your literature base. You need to approve the structure, and then it writes the full paper, formatted, cited, and ready to export as Word, PDF, or LaTeX. It is not a chatbot, it is not ChatGPT with a prompt, it is a purpose-built academic workflow. That is what it says. So let me show you what it actually does. Demo 1 is going to be setting up a paper. I am starting a new paper. The topic I'm going to use is something every student can relate to: the impact of social media on academic performance. I'm setting it to 20 pages. That is the entry-level package. So I'm also going to be selecting APA 7th edition for citations and English as the language. Already, before I've even written a single word, I can see the level of control this platform gives you. Citation style, page count, language, source preferences, all configurable up front. Now watch this. This is the research phase. The AI is now searching through millions of academic databases to find sources relevant to your topic in real time. This alone, finding and vetting academic sources, normally takes students hours, if not weeks, and this is doing it in a matter of minutes. Demo 2, structure and chapter editor. Here is where it gets interesting. Once the research is done, StudyTexter does not just hand you a paper, it hands you a draft structure and lets you edit it before a single sentence is written. I can reorder chapters, delete sentences that aren't interesting to me or that I believe aren't needed. This is a significant upgrade in comparison to dropping in a prompt in ChatGPT and then hoping for the best. Demo 3 is citations and evidence view. Now, citations. This is where a lot of writing tools fall apart completely. They either make up sources or they fabricate authors. They give you references that possibly do not even exist. But on the other hand, StudyTexter handles this differently. Every single citation in the output is traceable. I click on it and it takes me directly to the exact page in the original source PDF. Author, journal, year, page number, all verified. For a PhD student or researcher submitting a journal, this really matters. You cannot submit a paper with a citation you cannot verify. And with StudyTexter, you can verify every single one. Over 2,659 citation styles supported: APA, Harvard, IEEE, Chicago, and thousands more. Your institution-specific format is definitely here. Alright, so honest review time. So what StudyTexter does very well. The source verification, the structured workflow, the citation accuracy, and the sheer volume of academic databases that it pulls in. For a student that needs a structured draft fast, this is your tool. The interactive editor is also extremely helpful because you are not just getting an output, you can actually manage the process. And that distinction matters academically. But here is my honest concern, and that is the pricing. 69 euros for only 20 pages. 159 euros for 120 pages. And bear in mind, these are one-time payments, not a subscription model. So to me, that seems a little bit overpriced and not really fair. Now, if the pricing is just way too much for you and you want to focus specifically on long-form documents like a thesis or dissertation, then have a look at ThesisAI. This is ThesisAI's homepage. As you can see, it's really neat and tidy. You simply click start writing. You can then adjust the specifications on the left of the screen to exactly what you want. You then can upload up to 500 PDF papers or you can go through Semantic Scholar and let ThesisAI find the papers for you. Once you have uploaded all of your papers, you type in a single prompt, let that generate for about an hour, and there we have it. You have an option to look at a citation accuracy report, and you can download the document. Let's have a look at both of these documents. First up, the citation accuracy report. So this document is an automated citation quality report generated by ThesisAI. Each sentence in the document has been analyzed and color-coded based on how well it's supported by the source materials. How helpful is that? Now let's move on to the actual document. So as you can see, there is great structure throughout the document. There is a contents page, great introduction, inline citations, conclusion, and a reference list. So it really has it all. There is integrations of major academic tools, for example, Zotero, LaTeX, Semantic Scholar, Mendeley, Overleaf. So overall, really helpful to maintain your entire workflow. I will be popping in ThesisAI's website link in the description below, alongside a coupon code GEM20 for 20% off. We have come to the end of our video, folks. I really hope that this video was helpful to you and that you've learned something new. Once again, I'll be leaving ThesisAI's website in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on those bell notifications, and let me know down in the comments which AI tool review you would like me to do next, or a video topic in general. I will see you in next week's video. Bye!